would do baby hairs, but I'm not a big baby hair fan. Hi guys, so if you guys know the whole clean girl aesthetic, I'm gonna do my makeup like that today. Honestly, it's not really clean girl. If you're a real YouTuber OG, you would know that it's like the no makeup look from way back in the day, but they call it clean girl now. But anyways, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna get ready. I'm also gonna try the whole clean girl aesthetic look. So yeah, and I need to do my hair, so it's gonna be makeup, hair, outfit, and let's get into it. I've been in the sun, so I need to switch up my foundation using the L'Oreal Pro Matte. It's hot as hell in Florida, so I would normally mix this, but I want kind of a matte face. I'm gonna spray my brush with my NYX Dewy Finish spray. Now I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. eyebrow pencil, and this is in brown, I think. Concealer, I'm gonna use my Juvia's Place in number 16. I'm gonna go in with my NYX, the brow glue. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares. See me right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me? Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. If you ever see me on live, like with a natural beat, this is definitely what I do. Normally this doesn't take me long. It takes me like 5-10 minutes. Mine takes me like 8 to 10 minutes. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with. Now that I'm darker, now that I'm more tanned, this concealer from Juvia's Place is like the perfect highlight shade for me. When you're medium skin tone like me, sometimes it's hard to find concealer that shows up bright underneath your eyes. Some of them come up orange. More orange than anything else when you need light. This is the e.l.f. putty bronzer that I'm using. This is, I think this is the darkest shade. They need to do better. This is a great bronzer. This is ColourPop BFF3. Me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever want to give me wings.
You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got
I'm gonna go in with BFF2.
issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, okay.
Then I'm gonna go in with Fenty Beauty lip gloss in Fenty Glow. This is Fenty Rose Latte 10 Cream Blush. Absolutely love it. I was never a blush girl, but this blush right here, it does it for me. And I'm gonna set everything now. So this is a tip of all tips. Set your liquid, then you go in and set your powder. Your face will be indestructible. So, bronzer, Juvia's Place in Tan. And I love how this have two shades. So when I'm more on the lighter side, this is perfect. When I'm more tan, this is perfect. Love it. You gotta be careful that you don't put down too much product on your face, because this is pigmented. I have to go back in with my foundation bro and just blend everything in. I'm gonna grab some Fit Me powder. This is Sephora Micro Smooth Powder in 4010. Blush from e.l.f. I like to mix these two, this one and that one, together. I'm gonna go in again with my NYX Matte Spray. And then I'm gonna go in with my highlighter. This is the Dose of Color Desi and Katie collab. It has been one of my faves forever. Lashes. Brush, I'm gonna use the same bronzing shade as an eyeshadow. And that is the look. So next to the hair. So my hair is dirty. I'm gonna use this. This just have water in there with a little bit of leaf. This is just some Magic Road cover up. I use this because my hair is light. I'm gonna use this Kinky Nikki Slick Stuff Edge Control. This is from the lady that normally does my hair. I will leave her link below. She is a black owned natural hair care brand. I use her brand for my shampoo and conditioner. So I'm gonna get some Fantasia Liquid Mousse Super Bowl Spritz. So I got this drawstring ponytail. This is from Sensational. This is the textured drawstring ponytail, and it's called Game Changer XL. This is kinky 4B4C. Oh, and this is how it looks. The whole perfect curl thing is not my thing, so I'm gonna comb out some of these curls a bit so it looks more natural. This is how it looks. It comes with a comb in the front, comb in the back, and then a drawstring. Just put it over. So my earrings are from Fashion Nova. My necklace is from eBay. Babe bought these for me. My bodysuit is from Shein. Short is from Shein, and my shoes is from Fashion Nova. Also, and my bag is also from Shein. I'm gonna show you guys a full get up, the full outfit in a minute. But before I go anywhere, your girl gotta smell good. So I'm going to put on my perfume, and this is from Dossier. If you guys don't know what Dossier is a perfume company that is affordable, that make perfumes at an affordable cost, and you can find some of your high-end perfume on Dossier. They have great alternative that smell the same but for a fraction of the price. So let's get into these perfume. The first one is Gourmand White Flowers, and I've been wearing this. Love this. I found that I am a gourmand girl. I love gourmand and I love vanilla smelling perfume. So the Gourmand White Flowers, the top notes is bergamot, green tea, freesia, berries. The middle notes is white flowers, orchid, rose, and the base is musk, patchouli, caramel, and vanilla. And as you guys know, I said I love vanilla, and then the musk in here, absolutely love it. And then the next one that I've been loving is Floral Marshmallow. Floral Marshmallow is, the top notes is marshmallow, neroli, bergamot. The middle notes is orange blossom, honeysuckle, jasmine, and orris. And the base notes is amber, vanilla, and musk. And as you can see, both of these perfumes have musk and vanilla in it, and I absolutely love them. I've been wearing the Gourmand White Flowers non-stop, and this, it lasts. When I say it lasts, it lasts. So the floral marshmallow has a 18% concentration, and it's inspired by Killian Love Don't Be Shy Etude de Parfum. And that perfume is the one that they say Rihanna always wear. So yeah. And then the Gourmand White Flowers, which is my fave, is at 18% concentration, and it's inspired by Victor and Rolf Feuerbaum Etude de Parfum. So I'm gonna put on Gourmand White Flowers because it's my fave, and I like to put it behind my knees. You know what they say, they love to see you walk out. You're gonna smell good when you walk out too.
I keep tossing like I do, I keep tossing like I do, I keep tossing like I do, I keep tossing like you do. All this stuff in my jeans, you can't get up in between. You're trying to get up as me.
Bye, DJ Boom!
I can't be you know charge. You talk out the free, I could be your young you ever like
So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.